Welcome to EHS Clubhouse, world's largest platform for EHS professionals.
Greetings everyone. Welcome to the EHS Clubhouse. So let me take you through and introduce you with all the features and services available on the EHS Clubhouse platform. When you first registered on the website, you might have shared your details with us, like your name, mobile number, email ID, etc. We would like to let you know that your details are extremely confidential and we do not share it with any third party. The main objective of our platform is for knowledge sharing, and we do not post any job related updates here. Coming to the home page of the platform, this is the main page or the page you see when you log in. When you log in first, all the posts made will be visible here. It includes the content shared by admin as well as the members. Every registered member on the platform can post on the home page by using this option. Under the create post section on the top of the page, when you click on the keep sharing knowledge, this small pop-up window will appear and you can upload images, documents, and videos under these categories and click on the post button. The admin of the EHS Clubhouse share one content a day, which you can see here. If you like certain post, you can click on the like button here and you can comment on the post and share it on the social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Coming to the EHS news feature, you can see this feature here on the left. When you click on the see all function, you'll be able to read everything in detail. We post all the latest news in the field of health, safety, environment, fire, security, and sustainability here. We also post national and state level legal update when there is a new one. So you can read these regulatory updates or the recent news in details here. Similarly, if you go to the home page again, we have this upcoming news feature. When you click on the see all, so in this, you'll be able to read in detail here. In this section, we post about the upcoming events happening into the EHS field, like if there's an expo or some conference or seminars, you can always come to this section and read about the events and register with the links provided here in the description. These features available on the platform will keep you updated and will also help in keeping you ahead in your profession. Working in the EHS field is a very hectic job and it requires you to keep yourself updated with the newest things available. So this is where the EHS Clubhouse platform helps. Another very useful feature available to all our members here is the Ask an Expert. You can find the Ask an Expert feature here on the top bar. When you click on this, you'll come across this page. And as I mentioned before, being in the EHS field is a very hectic job and it requires a person to know a lot of things in every field. And because everyone cannot be an expert in every field, so this is where the Ask an Expert features comes to help. If you come across any technical question or a EHS related service or product inquiry, you can go to this option and write to us explaining your query. We have a team of subject matter experts from different areas. We direct your query to the experts and get back to you with the solution as soon as possible. So this feature here will be a great helping hand in your daily job. Another feature here on the top left corner is the search bar feature, which you can use to search any content with the help of keywords. And you can also search for profiles of our members by typing their names. So this feature will help you in searching particular posts made by a member or posts made on any specific topic that you're looking for. If you look across this bar here, there's the option called notifications. So this will show you notifications whenever the admin posts something. So if you go to this notification, click on the view all, you'll be able to see all the posts made by admin, be it blog, news, post, etc. so that you don't miss anything and you can always come here and check in case you miss anything. Coming back to the home page. On the right side, on the right column here, there is a blogs option. So when you click on it, click on the see all,
you'll be able to read like the weekly blogs posted on the topic related to health, safety, and environment. So this page here will show you the list of blogs posted till now, and you can read these blogs in description by clicking on it. So if you click on the more details option here, you'll be able to read the whole blog posted by the admin. So these are all the main features available on the platform. Apart from these, we organize free or discounted webinars for our members. So in case of webinars, we let our members know about them in advance through emails. We send regular emails about this. We set the links of these webinars in the emails too, so that our members can register and enjoy the benefits that comes with the membership. Also, by the end of this month, we are coming up with the marketplace for products and services related to the field of HSC. So this area will provide solutions for all the services and product related queries. We are also coming up with the e-library, which will be a compilation of systematically organized documents, all related to the field. We will let you know about these features in details before launching so that you can avail the benefits. This is all about the platform. In case of any query, you can always contact us on our email, that is info@ehsclubhouse.com, or you can use this directly contact icons. You can call us or you can leave us a text on the WhatsApp. You can also visit our social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. by clicking on these icons directly.